guys, and welcome to my channel. So on today's video I'm gonna be doing something that I've had on my mind for a while, and it's that I'm gonna be trying some cheek brushes to do this, which is my everyday face makeup. I'm not wearing eyeshadow, I'm not wearing falsies, I'm not wearing much of anything, just like my base foundation, eyebrows, powder, highlight, blush, and a smile. Oh, and lipstick, yeah, and lipstick. For this video I bought a set of brushes, Yes-Up brushes on AliExpress, and we're gonna try them out, so keep on watching if you want to see how to achieve this. So on today's video I'm gonna be doing something that's been on my mind for a while, and that is testing cheap internet bought brushes. I got these ones. They came in the mail today. See how many of them I have, and see, the thing is, I love trying makeup brushes. I love trying every shape, every size, every material I can possibly find and see how they work for my face, how easy I found to work with them, how some of them work better with some products and some of them work better with others. What I don't like is the feeling that if I don't buy like the Zoeva brushes or the MAC brushes or the Smashbox brushes that I'm sure are fantastic, then my makeup skills are not going to be good enough, and for me that's not fair. Then I have the Morphe brushes, which I don't really like because I find they're very scarce for what they cost, and I'm sorry if I'm offending anyone. Morphe, I don't have it against you, I love your eyeshadow palettes, but that set of the 12-piece eyeshadow brush set was like a complete fail. So for today what I'm going to do is try the face brushes, because this brush over here and this brush over here were the ones who caught my attention the most, and let's see how it works. I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Coverall Primer. So generous, put a bit of too much. You wanna rub primer all through your face. That way, even if the pores are mostly here in the T-zone, you're gonna get an even face and you're gonna get an opaque face, which is good. I'm gonna go in with this Infallible 24-hour foundation from L'Oreal, and this one's in the shade 200. Yes, it might seem dark, but it's the summer and I do tan quite a lot, so it works. I don't like to put on that much foundation on my everyday makeup because I like my freckles to poke through. So this is something that probably has been told a million times, but people don't forget to wear the foundation down your neck, because that look of the, like, your face one color and your neck one other color, it's kind of weird. I've always find it kind of weird. I mean, I've been blending foundation into my neck since I was 19, 20, since I started wearing makeup. Okay, so now that my foundation is done, I'm gonna go in with this Revolution Conceal and Define the concealer in C5, and I can't wait until the foundation comes out. I want to try it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and blend it with one of the brushes I just got. It's not something I do usually, but I mean, why not? Because this one here, it says face shape, but yeah, I'm not gonna apply contour with this one, it's just no. By the way, this brush company, in that little sheet of card they send you, they explain how you should take care of your brushes, how you should take care of synthetic brushes, how you should take care of natural hair brushes, which is really cool because many people, when they are new to makeup, have no idea that brushes should be cleaned, and two, have no idea how to treat the brushes. So I think that blended it out really nice. So the 110 face brush, approved. I really liked it. Now I'm gonna set underneath my eyes, and what brush can I use to set under? I could have used this one. Am I a bad person if I try and use the same brush I used to seal? I probably am, and I don't care. I'm using this Freedom Bronze Professional thingy that I got for free in the Makeup Revolution mystery bag. Last video I said mystery box, it's mystery bag. So I'm taking the lightest shade. I'm gonna wipe the excess off with this brush right here that I wanted to try for a while. Oh my god. I want to use these brushes. I think I'm gonna do powder. So I have this Studio Fix Perfecting Powder from MAC. I own 3 products from MAC. This one, a concealer, and a tiny little brush. So this one's in this shade medium dark, and yes, I know it's dark and I am a redhead and I'm light or whatever. Guys, I tan a lot, even when I don't want to. Guys, have you never found uncomfortable this kind of packaging with the little net? Because I don't feel like I get enough product, but I clearly do. But it's like I keep pushing in and in and in. Okay. So I'm going to use the same brush I've used for concealer and to set the concealer. And I'm going to go in this Makeup Revolution contour palette. This is a light contour palette. And it has a nice cool shade that I'm going to like lightly stamp in here. I'm going to try to blend it out. I like to go all the way up with the contouring. Like to go all the way up. This brush is really big, so it blends it out. See how it's the first time I cannot see harsh lines. It's really the first time I cannot. So now I think I'm gonna use the same brush to use a bit of bronzer, and my favorite everyday bronzer is this one, that it's the Summer 2.0 from Kiko. And I've had this one for about 1.5 years, and I still haven't hit pan, and I use it every single day. It smells like chocolate, so bonus to that. I like to go over my hairline because, as you can see, I have a ton of tiny little baby hairs, and they're blonde, so it seems like I'm balding, but I'm not. I swear, like, I have hair up to here and up to here, but you cannot see it. So I take a bit down my nose. Like, I don't contour my nose, but I bronze my nose. You know what? I'm gonna pull you closer so you can see a bit more of the details. I could have done it first. Okay, so I think that's better, and I'm sorry I didn't do before. Just want to show you how the lines are not harsh, because this is one really big fluffy brush that it's really good, and that's why I wanted to try it. Now, what else do I have to do? Oh my god. I just spilled. Just like pushed my elbow on these and I left it open. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do blush, and I have this L'Oreal Lisa Peach. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is blush, and I have this one from L'Oreal, the Lisa Peach one. And I have been really using this blush lately. It's scented, and I know scented things aren't that good to your face, but you know what? I like them. And dude, I'm like a 3 brush girl. I have 500 brushes and I use like 4 for everything. So let's see. I'm gonna use the same one I used to set my face. So I'm going generously, very generously. And I do this like upward motion where I build up the product because I'm afraid to put too much and then having to waste time on blending. So I just like kind of like swipe, 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 swipe until I get the color I want. Can you see how beautifully these brushes blend? Now the final test for these brushes, it's going to be this. This is the Makeup Obsession London Live and Love Baked Highlighter. I think these ones, they don't make this one anymore, but in the Revolution Beauty site you can find many of these ones. And this is in the shade something and something. Highlighter Warm. I'm gonna use this brush, and I'm really excited about this brush because I've been wanting to do highlight with something like this for the longest time. And I finally get to do it, and I finally get to do it. I'm gonna be generous. Let's see how this works. Yay! Oh my god, it's so pretty. Like, what? I have never managed to get this effect that on camera I like move my face and I get this wet looking effect that I see every single beauty guru. And it's so pretty, and every time I try to do it with my other fan brush it was like outline it. Okay, so this is my face as of now, and I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I'll be right back. This is the final look. It's a look I wear most days when I go to work, and it really just takes me like 5 to 10 minutes to like do my face and set it and like make myself, I wouldn't say presentable, but make myself look nice in a way that I find nice. Okay guys, so for the brushes, I really like them. They're soft, they don't steal that much color from you, they work for what they're made to work, they're really well made. They are at a value of about $1 or €1 each. It doesn't change that much, like a few cents a brush. And I can say I'm really satisfied. I really wasn't expecting them to be bad because of the price range, because you can find like huge brush sets for like $4, and those I don't think are gonna be good. But this one was like an Amazon-ish price, like 15 euros, $15 for a 15 brush set or for a 12 brush set, and I'm really satisfied. And yeah, so my advice to you would be, if you're interested in starting with makeup, like don't invest all your money on the most expensive things you can find. Like buy the things you need and try to find them for a lower price. That way you can experiment with many things. Buy things that are worth your money and try and experiment and have fun and use it as a relaxation therapy. That's what I do often. So on my next video, I think I'm going to do a review with the eyeshadow brushes and see how they come. And by the way, I've placed another order for AliExpress brushes, just for eyeshadow brushes, from a different brand, and I'm going to see if I have as good luck as I have here. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have you ever bought cheap brushes or like cheap makeup blending sponges or eyelashes, cheap fake eyelashes? Have you bought those? How has it been? Have you liked them? Have you not? Do you have any bad, good, mediocre, or medium experiences? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!